Hey, my friends, I go online quite a bit looking for great prices on used photography equipment, and I came across this gem right here. I got this from B&H Photo, their used department. I've gotten several things through them, and I've always been satisfied, and you can get some really good deals if you know what you're looking for and you pay attention. So this right here, I'm just going to be upfront with you. This is the Sony 200 to 600 millimeter lens. I'm excited to unbox this for you to show you guys what type of packaging and how well they ship these things, these used equipment, when they send them to you. All right, let's dive right in, shall we? Oh yeah, sound of, like I said last time, I need to get a better knife. This one just doesn't work real well. All right, so you got the basic fun stuff here, but here's the cool thing. Wait till you see this. Let's check this out. Now this is packaging a lens properly to where nothing, I could probably drop this from the Empire State Building and it's not going to injure the lens at all. That's what I'm thinking here. Now it's going to take me a while to unwrap this, so I'll be right back. All right, it's a great carrying case that comes with it, which is nice to have. Now this is rated a 9 on B&H Photo scale, which means it should have little wear or damage or anything. And I see, it looks really good. So that's really clean. Let's take a look at the glass. That's pristine. That's really nice. Wow. So this lens regularly retails for right around $1,800–$1,900. I got this used for around $350 less. So this was a bargain. I don't always pick up used equipment. When I do, I always make sure it's worth it, because sometimes I've seen things $50 off, and to me, I'll spend $50 to get something that's brand new. But when you're talking this, you got a $350 off. I mean, see, that's worth it to me, especially in this type of condition. This is, I can't see any wear at all on this lens. It looks almost brand new out of the box. Unfortunately, I have no sports I can shoot with this right now. It's winter time. Yeah, so what am I going to do? I don't want to shoot basketball with this at 200 to 600. That's not going to work. So maybe we'll take it out. We'll shoot some wildlife. I'll let you guys know and take you along for the ride if I decide to do that. But yes, if you do think about getting something used, B&H Photo, I'm not here on their behalf, but they do have some great equipment. You can get some great prices. So don't be afraid sometimes to be looking at the used equipment, because you can get some really good deals. Now, I have reviewed this lens on my channel already. If you want to check that video out, you can do that. In the meantime, get out and shoot, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, almost got away from me then. Meanwhile, back at the ranch. Oh, it's going that way now.